Hello everyone, this is the welcome screen of my wellness application, and right now I'm going to show you the registration process, login process, and forget password functionality of this application. So I'm going to begin with creating a new account. So you can see that how a new user can create account. So let's click on the sign up button here. So to create a new account, we have to fill these fields. Before we fill these fields, let's check what happens if we don't fill these fields and click on the next button. Okay, so we are required to fill these fields before filling out these, we cannot proceed further. So I'm going to put the name, full name, username, and email, and a password. Just click on the next button. Okay, so the system is asking us that we have to enter password which includes at least 8 characters with one uppercase and one lowercase and at least one special character. Let's click on the next button now. Okay, as we can see that I have entered an email which was already used to create an account, and the user cannot create multiple accounts with the same email. So I have to enter a new email which hasn't been used before. Now we can proceed further. And this screen, I have to choose the activity level. Without selecting activity level, I cannot go further. Will choose the activity level here, click on the next button, and in this screen, I have to enter the fitness details. And if I do not, then it will not allow us to proceed further. Current weight, target weight, and click on the next button. Okay, so this is the last screen for registration. I'm going to select my goal here, K muscle, and click on the complete registration. As we can see that we successfully created a new account, and we will now see the login process. We will check how it works. Let me click on the login button without entering any detail. Okay, so user is asked to enter both email and password. I'm gonna enter the email here, and let me add the wrong password to check if it shows any error or not. Okay, so I have been asked to put correct email and password. So let me enter correct password which I set up. As you can see that we have successfully logged in, and our login functionality was successfully working. So let's log out and check our forget password functionality as well. So to reset, to get a new password, we have to enter a registered email, and we have to fill this field as well. Let's put an email which is not registered first to check if it allows us to. As we can see that the system didn't find any user with this email, so I'm gonna put the correct email here to get a code and reset the password. Okay, so it checked the email and it existed. After checking the email, it sent our code to our email to reset a new password. So let's get the code. Here we can see that we have received the code. Copy and paste the code and set our new password. We have to follow the same rule that we have to include one uppercase, one lowercase, and if we don't, we cannot update our password. So let's check that as well. So we have to enter a password with at least 8 characters, with at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and one digit and one special character. Let's do that. And also I'm gonna check if I don't enter the same password, Will it allow us to proceed? Let's click on the reset. So in this confirm password field, I have entered the wrong password to check if it throws any error or not. So you can see that passwords do not match. I'm gonna write the correct one now and update our new password. Okay, so the new password has been reset. Okay, and this was our functionality of our registration login and our forget password functionality of our application. Welcome to the wellness dashboard. This is the first screen users see after logging in. This dashboard uses AI to give smart motivational suggestions based on log meals, workouts, and progress. The suggestions are powered by custom machine learning model trained to offer personalized coaching, which is totally based on fitness goal, diet, and streaks. And as you can see that I just created the account, and my goal in this account is to gain muscle. And as you can see that I have received multiple suggestions based on my goal that I'm not meeting um, required calories to support my goal. As you can see that, so let's log multiple meals to see if my uh, comments and suggestions are being updated based on my activity or not. So we're gonna log some meals and then fetch the new suggestions to check if I'm meeting the requirements to support my goal. Let's refresh this. As you can see that the calories have been updated per day, and now uh, suggestion is showing that I am in the right zone to support my goal, and as well as it's saying that I'm getting the right protein for my target, and it shows that I have logged one meals, which means I have only one meal streak, and it suggests to increase logging consistency for better feedback. And there are some motivational suggestions as well. So that's how my dashboard will work for users. They get suggestions, they get motivational messages completely based on their user progress. Now we are in the meal planning feature. This section provides personalized meals based on fitness goal. In this account, I have selected the muscle gain goal. So the application will show high protein meals with at least 600 calories. As you can see, these meals are at least with 600 calories with high protein as well as with high carbs to support the muscle gain target. Now I'll show you how users can explore meals based on their dietary preferences using the filter feature. So I'm going to select the vegan option here. So when I select the vegan option here, the only meals I will get are plant-based. There's no meat, there's no dairy, there's no animal products when I select that um, option. As you can see, these meals are totally vegan. Let me show you another option in the filter. So if I select the low carb, I will only get the meals with the low carbs. So if a user doesn't want to have the meals with high carbs, they can select this option. Let's try another option. We're gonna try the keto. So when a user select this option, they will get the meals which are mostly high in fats, in good fats. As you can see, the fats are high in these meals. Let's try another option. We're gonna do the gluten-free. So in these meals are free from wheat, barley, and other gluten-containing ingredients. It's perfect for users with gluten intolerance or sensitivity. Now let's explore what users can do after selecting a meal. So if a user wants to log their favorite meal, they can click on the log meal button and they can say that meal has been logged. And if they want to cook an meal, cook a meal, they can click on the view recipe button and they will be shown a complete recipe of this meal with the ingredients as well as with the instructions, with the complete instructions. Let's go back and the other feature we can do in this meal section is to a user can access their all logged meals in one place. This can help users to stay consistent and track their nutrition history. You can see that I have been displayed all logged meals, which I did previously. So that's how a user can utilize this feature for their fitness goal. This is workout planner section. It helps user stay active by showing them different exercises they can try. First, the user can pick where they want to work out, either at home or at the gym. Select the gym. Next, they can choose which part of the body they want to train, like chest, back, arms, shoulders, or even cardio. I'm going to select the chest. Now we can click on the search exercises button to see what we get. Now it displays a list of workouts based on what we selected. As you can see, we can tap on any exercises to see more details. Let's click on this one. We can see that we have instructions how to perform it, and it also shows which muscle it targets. And even if we want to watch a demo video, we can click on watch demo video, and it will take us to YouTube with a lot of demos, as you can see here. Once we have done the exercises, we can tap the log workout button. This will save it and it will help us to build our workout streak. And finally, if we go to logged exercises, we can access the workouts that we have done before. You can see, and there's option if you want to clear logged exercises, click on this. The logged exercises have been cleared successfully. Let's go back. Let me try another muscle group, or let's try the home option and cardio. As you can see, we get the exercises based on our choices. So this section is all about helping users to stay consistent and active by giving them workouts they can follow easily and anytime. This is the community page. Here users can share their updates, thoughts, or even ask the questions. User can type a post here, and if user want, You can also add a photo or video. So let's try that. Let's see if it's being posted or not. As you can see that it has been successfully posted. And if a user wants to add a photo or video, you can click on the add photo video option. Just click on random photo and see. So the post has been successfully posted and with the picture. Also, users can like the post and leave a comment on there. As you can see, the comment was uploaded successfully. This page helps everyone stay connected and motivated together. Now I will show you the gamification screen. This is where the application keeps track of user progress and their streaks. At the top, users can see their daily streaks, like how many days in a row they have logged a workout or meal. It also shows the best streaks users have gotten so far, and below that, there are user progress bars. These track how many workouts or meals users have logged so far. The bar fills up as a user logs meals or workout. At the down here, we have achievement badges. Every time user reach a milestone like 10 meals, 10 workouts, they unlock a new badge. Unlocked badges are colored and the logged ones are faded out. When a user unlock a new badge, they get confetti animation to celebrate. This whole section is designed to keep users motivated, engaged, and consistent. Let me log a meal and workout to see if bar um, progress bar increases or not. As you can see, the progress bar uh, increased based on what I logged. This is the profile section of the application. Every user has a profile where their personal information is displayed. You can see the full name, username, email address, and the current weight here. Users can tap the camera icon on their profile picture to upload or change their profile picture. It gets saved and displayed here instantly. So let's. As you can see, the profile picture updated successfully. And if a user wants to update their name, username, weight, they can tap this edit profile button. Let's change the name and username. And let's change the current weight as well. And now we can click on the Save Changes button, and you can see that profile updated successfully. Finally, if the user wants to log out, they can simply press on this logout button at the bottom.